Alright guys, welcome to another Giant Graphics tutorial. I'm so excited you're here. So today I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful motion background. If you're a TikToker, you must watch this video, okay? If you're a YouTuber, you must watch this. If you make comedy, you make skits, you make reels, then this video is a must watch for you. Sometimes we watch TikTok video of people lying down in the middle of the road. It's so real, like, oh my god, he's singing in the middle of the road, he's dancing in the middle of the road, he's doing this and that. But I'm going to show you how to make it, okay? How to get your pictures and your videos on a motion video. That's another motion video with your video. How to merge them together. How to get a moving background for your video, okay? And we'll be using two applications. We'll be using our CapCut, which is the video editor, and you'll be needing, well, I get my stock videos from renderforest.com, so you just need your Chrome or any browser to do that. Then you can get from anywhere online. Just search for stock video of, write the name of the motion you want, maybe moving vehicle, traffic jam, whatever it is, just input it and your videos will be loaded. So I'll be showing you how to do that right away. Okay. So video editing is actually a big deal, but there are so many ways to make it easier for you. And that's what we do at Giant Graphics. We make your work easier, graphics design, video editing, artificial intelligence creation, and lots more. You can count on us. Thank you for being here with us. So I'm going straight to my CapCut. It is it's my favorite video editing app. Okay, there are several other apps I use for video editing, but I love CapCut because there are so many shortcuts. Like CapCut can actually remove your video background for you without you having to stress going through another software to do that for you. Okay, so first thing, now I'm going to my home page. Okay, I want you to see, now this is the home page. You can see I'm going to click on new project. That's what I'm going to start with now. But know that if you're new, like if you just install the app, you have to register or sign up with your email or your Gmail account, whichever. So once you sign up, this is the home page. Actually, these are the videos I've edited recently. So I'm going to click on new project and it's going to bring me to my videos. You can see I have my videos and I have my pictures, videos and photos. Okay, then I can click on my album. Maybe the video is in a particular album and it's far, but this video is not actually far. So I'm going to first select the video I got as my background. That's the video I'm going to be using as background is what I'll be selecting first, and I'll be using this. Okay, so I'm going to be clicking on that. That's what I will be using as my background video. It's a motion video, okay? And it's 28 seconds, but I recorded my video as 33 seconds, so I'm going to edit it. Oh, this is the one I made first. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the video itself. Okay, you can see it's a motion picture and I'm going to click on add. Since it's just one, I'm just going to add it. Okay, now the motion video is actually shorter than my video, so what do? I'm just going to copy it, that I'm going to double it till it gets to that length. So I'm just going to click, highlight it, then go straight down until I'll have the copy. Okay, this is the copy. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so you can see I have 30 seconds of my background video. Now what do I do next? I'm going to click on overlay. Overlay means I want to add another layer. It could be a picture, it could be a video, but in this case it's going to be a video because I want to make my recorded video to have a different background. So I'm just going to click on add overlay, and I'm going to select the video. Now this is the video I recorded in my compound. Okay, I'm sure you guys are seeing the background. It's actually the gates. So I recorded this at the gate side, and I'm going to just add it. Now note that now you can see it has a background. What do? I'm going to remove the background. CapCut editor has image background remover, video background remover, so I don't have to stress myself at all. What I just have to do is to click on, I'm going to click on cut out. So just scroll until you have cut out. Now this is cut out here. This is cut out right there. So I'm going to click on cut out. Then I'm going to select remove background. You can see under the cutout I have other things. I can do chroma key. Chroma key is blending it without removing the background. But because of the color, please make sure your video has a plain background. Make sure it's as plain as possible so that it will be easier. So I'm just going to click on remove background, and let's watch CapCut doing it. You can see like my video is without a background. I'm going to click on that. Wow. Now but you can see that the video is actually smaller than the main background. So I'm just going to just use your hand, place your hand on the screen and expand it. Okay, so I'm going to just expand. You can see it's getting bigger, but now it's too big, so I'm just going to reduce it a little, and I'll make sure it's on point. Now it's too tall. Okay, so I'll bring it and blend it well with the background. So let me just play it so that you see what we have. Now once you're done, you can add music, that's background music. You can add anything you want to put your video in order. You can change the dimension too. Then I'll be clicking on this to download my video. Okay, so once you click on it, it will export it. Let me do so you see that. Okay, you can see it's exporting the video. Now it's going to run from 0% to 100%. So just wait for it to load completely to 100. Okay, and once it's 100, it will be saved automatically. You can see I actually make the video on this dress today, and sometimes all you need is knowledge on how to do it yourself, and that's what Giant Graphics School is here to give you. I'm sure you learned something, and I'm sure it's useful. If it's useful, give us a thumb up, and remember to subscribe to our channel because we have more loading for you in 2024. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and share the link with your friends and your family, and have a nice day. Bye.